It's pretty windy right the way across the United Kingdom. And not only is it windy, we've got some pretty heavy showers around, and that's going to be affecting many parts of the United Kingdom. And the combination of the strong winds and the heavy rain always leads to some pretty nasty conditions on the roads. Now you can see that we've got some fairly extensive rain across the United Kingdom. The brighter colours indicating where we've got the heavier downpours, and all those downpours really are being pushed along by some strong to gale force winds. Now, quite recently, we've seen some pretty strong gusts of wind. I know the Mumbles and Snowdonia are quite exposed, but 70 miles an hour gusts are very strong indeed. More typically, around about northwestern England, North Wales, 55 or so mile an hour gusts. And it's not just in these areas, the southwest of England, seeing some strong blustery winds, as is much of central and southern England. Northern England, as we've just seen, the northwest in particular, some strong and blustery winds here, similar across Northern Ireland. Those strong winds are just piling those showers into the Manchester area. This is how it looked not so long ago. Grey and wet, a pretty miserable afternoon here. And then we've got some pretty heavy showers across the rest of England and Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland too, and almost anywhere could see the odd rumble of thunder. But it's not all doom and gloom. Down across most of Wales, the southwest of England, the showers should become fewer and further between through this evening and into the overnight period. So some clearer skies developing here. But in northern and eastern areas, we will hang on to a bit more cloud and some overnight showers. But with those clearer skies, we'll see those temperatures well into single figures, maybe even a touch of frost through the Highlands of Scotland. But with the clearer skies overnight, it does mean there'll be a good deal of sunshine around through the morning, just the odd shower in these western areas through the morning. Come the afternoon, central and western parts of the UK looking fine, dry, plenty of sunshine around. Still quite breezy up and down that eastern coast, and through the afternoon around, say, Lincolnshire, East Anglia, that's where the main concentration of the showers will be. But tomorrow, with much lighter winds, generally speaking, 18 or 19 degrees, it may well be quite similar to what today's values are, but I think it'll probably feel just that little bit warmer. Through Thursday, well, down in the south, we've got some fine weather to come here, but you'll notice the winds will be picking up once again, and those winds are bringing in a fair amount of cloud and some rain eventually into western parts of Northern Ireland, western Scotland as well. You'll notice those temperatures 18 to 20 degrees, so maybe 1 or 2 degrees up on today's values. Thursday's rain slips its way a little bit further south, but by this stage it's really just a band of cloud, maybe a few spots of rain through the Midlands, South Wales, and down towards the southwest. The southeast should stay fine and dry. And there should be some decent dry weather, I think, across northern England for a time before the next batch of rain pushes into the northwest. Saturday sees some cloud and some rain across the Midlands. The southeast, though, should stay fine and dry. More showers in the northwest.